Good morning. It's George Herrera, and today is Tuesday, and I'm here with you, like many Tuesdays, with my live presentations. I normally start at 10:30 in the morning with Facebook Live, then I go in Spanish, then I do a YouTube streaming. And today we're going to talk about the advantages that the platform of the infinite banking concept, which is a specially designed whole life insurance contract, why it's so advantageous. And many people, when they hear that the platform of the infinite banking concept is insurance, they get turned off. But it's because they don't wait to learn. They don't want to understand. Maybe they have preconceptions, and that's unfortunate. But let me give you just about 5 advantages. The moment that your solution is approved, your policy is approved, your family is protected. There is a death benefit that is going to cover you and is going to help your loved ones if you depart. If something happens to you and you are not present anymore, they get some capital that helps them to minimize somehow the fact that you are not around anymore. The second point is that insurance companies look at risk long term. So there is a problem when when certain institutions like banks and Wall Street look at risk in the short term. And it is that they normally don't look at side issues, at lateral consequences of the decisions. So when you're looking at short term, then you don't have time, or you don't see side effects. But when you're looking at long term, when you are looking at risk long term, like 50 or 70 years in the future, then those side effects can be analyzed, because then you're going to see, so well, what would happen if in 10, 20, 30 years something would change? So then those are better decisions, because those side effects can be taken into consideration, and measures can be taken to avoid those side effects. The third point is that the life insurance, precedes the IRS. So that fact is extremely important, because by being grandfather, because precedes the IRS, then the money, the capital inside a whole life insurance contract grows tax deferred. And using loans to have access to the money allows the use of the money tax free. So it allows tax deferred growth, tax free use, and tax free transfer to your loved ones when you die. So that's a great benefit. Now the other one is that the fact that the infinite banking concept uses a whole life insurance contract as the platform, there is a death benefit. And since the infinite banking concept is very efficient, then you end up with a high death benefit. And this allows you to have a more comfortable retirement because you can spend more, I don't want to use the word careless, but you'll feel better that if you spend, nothing is going to be hurt because the death benefit is going to cover if there are unpaid loans, and your beneficiaries will get the difference. So that's a great benefit, that you can live a more comfortable retirement due to the fact that there is a big death benefit. So the death benefit covers whatever loans are not paid and pass the difference to your loved ones. And the last point is that life insurance companies definitely are more solid, more stable than their counterparts, their banks, and Wall Street. So that gives peace of mind. That allows you to sleep with some peace that you cannot find when you are dealing with Wall Street and the banks. Well, thank you. Thank you for visiting this streaming, and I'll see you next week. So, see you next time.